I walked into my baby shower and I excused myself thinking I had to go to the bathroom, and my water breaks. And I got my sister, who's a nurse, and I was scared because obviously at 23 weeks no one wants their water to break then. And she came in and said, yeah, it's broken. So we called 911 and paramedics came and they brought me here. And I can't even tell you, I've waited a very long time for her, and she's truly a miracle. I can't describe how good she's done with not being on oxygen and coming home with nothing but a reflux medicine, and which is 90% of babies probably come home with it. It's just unbelievable. Be happy for what you have, and I always say that what goes around comes around, and I never felt like it came around. And I was just all saved up for her, in my opinion. Everything I always did was just all saved up and thrown into her, and they said, there's your come around.